Welcome to Life Reimagined in one of Gilbert's most desirable communities of the Bridges. I'm excited to show you this stunning home where modern design meets everyday comfort.
Don't nobody else make me feel it. 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 Don't nobody else make me.
Whether you're dreaming of quiet nights at home, exploring nearby lakes or parks, or just being part of an amazing community, this former model home has it all.